Добрый день, вы на канале Модные практики. Напоминаем, что у нас видео выходит каждый день. Продолжаем работать с нашим платьем с красивыми складками. Оно у нас праздничное, с красивыми складками. Я уже вам говорила, когда вы будете в таком платье, впечатление вы обязательно произведете нужное.
Last time I showed you how to cut and tack the lower part of the dress. Today I'm going to show you how to cut and tack the upper front detail and the back. I can't wait to try the dress on. I'm not going to make the sleeves for the fitting. I want you to learn to use your imagination. You can make any sleeves you like. I've already showed you several types of sleeves. Don't be afraid of experiments. This is the sketch for the dress we're making for the customer. I'm going to make longer sleeves in my dress. I'm going to try the dress on without attaching the sleeves. We're going to make them later off the camera. These are the upper front detail and the back. I can start cutting now. I always tell you not to add too wide seam extensions. It's not convenient to work with them. Have a close look here. I remind you that we don't usually add any seam extension to these angles when cutting. I'm working with a knitted fabric now, so I'd better add some here. I remind you that I've raised the waistline for about 2 cm when making the pattern. You do not necessarily have to do it. You can make a mock-up, try it on, and decide where you want the pleats to be placed, whether you want to raise them or not. As I always say, we can sew and wear anything we want. I raised the waistline for 2 cm in my dress. I remind you that there are the shoulder darts in the back detail. How wide is it? It's 2.2 centimeters wide now. I'm going to move and cut the opening here. There will be no dart here on the shoulder. I also want to make the shoulder more straight. I remind you that I'm making the dress of the knitted fabric. I've moved the dart opening here. I'm not going to make a dart here at all. I'll just cut it. As I've already said, the shoulder should be made more straight. I remind you that the front neckline was made 1.5 centimeters wider. The back one should be made 1.5 centimeters wider as well. The shoulder should be even. I can start cutting now. I haven't done anything off the camera. I don't want you to have any questions left. I want to check if the waistlines match. It's very important to do it. They do. Let's have a look at the side seam. This one should be made 1 centimeter longer. I hate it when I start sewing a garment and then stop working on it for some reason. By the time I get back to working with it, I don't remember anything about it. I hate it when it happens, so I try to avoid such situations. I'm sure that many of you will make such dresses. I've made the very detailed tutorials on the pattern making. I also showed you how to tack and cut the details very thoroughly. Next, I need to trace this tack to the fabric. I used to ignore the waist tacks when sewing dresses. Now that I've lost some weight, I can't allow myself doing it.
Когда я вешу
I want my perfect
86,5
body to be seen.
килограммов, я же строго смотрю, чтобы моя фигура была показана во всей своей красоте.
This is the upper front detail. This is the back. Natalie is going to trace the waist tuck to the other side. When it's done, she'll start taking the details. There are the two openings here. I need to trace them to the fabric first. You know that I don't like knitted fabrics. It's not convenient to work with them. Anyway, sometimes we had to do even what we don't like to do. The dart should start at the same point in the center front. The dress will look amazing in this case. I can detach the pattern now. Next, these darts should be traced to the other side. I remind you that there is a fold here on the center front. We'll start taking these darts 1 cm up from the edge. It won't be convenient to stitch them the way we're stitching now. You won't be able to make the darts look exactly like in the sketch if you stitch them right from the edge. Be very attentive. I've drawn a mark 1 cm up from the bottom. This is the point which should be traced to the wrong side. I've pinned it. The dress turned out to be pretty complicated. I couldn't even show you the whole cutting and taking process in the same video. It would have been too long. Imagine you stop working on a dress for some time and then get back to sewing it in a week or two. It will be very hard for you to work on it in this case. When the darts are traced, I'll start taking them. I can take the pins out and start taking the darts. I'm going to take the two bigger darts first. Natalie is taking the center back. The width of the seam is 1 cm. I remind you that I'm making the dress of the knitted fabric. I think that I'm not going to insert a zipper in it. Natalie, what do you think? Maybe it would be better to insert a tiny zipper in the side seam. We could also double the waistline with a strong cross-grain ribbon. The waistline should bear the perfect shape. You can either double it with a piece of strong cotton fabric or with a cross-grain ribbon, for example. The first darts are ready. I'm going to tack the second one next. I'll also tack the darts to the wrong side for the fitting. I want to make these edge straight after taking the darts. Let's have a look at the center front. Perfect. I can cut these details now. Next, I'm going to tack the darts to the wrong side for the fitting. This is how the upper part of the front looks like now. The dress is going to be so beautiful. I'm taking the darts to the wrong side. I want them to fit me perfectly at the fitting. When I was learning to sew, we were taught to always tack the darts to the wrong side for a fitting. It should be done for you to see how the dress is actually going to look like. Have a look at the table. The lower part of the dress is ready. The upper part of the dress is ready. We're going to tack them together. When it's done, we'll tack the side seams. After that, I'll try the dress on. Have a look here. I don't like the way this edge looks like now. I'm going to make a straight seam when taken. Make sure that the marks on the center front match. This is very important. I remind you that both darts and the upper detail start from the same point. Natalie is going to tack the details. When the dress is tacked, I'll try it on. The waistline should definitely be doubled with a gross grain ribbon. I want it to be accurate. I've also decided to insert a small zipper in the side seam. It will also make the waistline stronger. People often ask me how we decide which seams to press open and which close. When the seams are stitched, you need to have a close look at them and decide how to press them, which of the sides to make smaller, and so on. What is very important is that you should press only the seam itself. Do not press the other details when working with the seams. This is very important. Natalie, can you please tack faster? I can't wait to try the dress on. I know that she's trying. I do. But I just can't wait. I want to try the dress on. Of course I can't wait. Just not for long. As I've already said, I'm going to make different sleeves. The ones in the sketch were made for the customer. In my dress, the sleeves are going to be longer. The dress itself is going to be pretty warm. You can make the dresses of the lighter or more beautiful fabrics. In this case, the small sleeves, like the ones in the sketch, will be perfect. You can make the drop shoulders, or you can even make long sleeves. I want you to understand that we can sew and wear anything we want. I know the type of the sleeves which I like. Thick water ones in winter and short ones in summer. My daughter Inga loves long sleeves. I don't know why. You know what? I've forgotten to add 1 centimeter to the length of the back. It's sometimes pretty hard for me to talk to you and work at the same time. It's okay, we'll decide what to do with it. The most important thing is that we showed you how to make a pattern and how to cut this dress. Natalie, do not forget that my body is perfect. Make the seams wider. What would I do without Natalie by my side? I love you. I'm ready to get undressed. In order to put the tack dress on, of course. Have a look at me. I'm wearing the tack dress. When I put it on, we realized that it's better to make the bar tacks under the pleats for them to look better, like we usually do when stitching the lining. When the dress is ready, we'll show it to you, both the right and the wrong sides. The most important thing is that I showed you how to make a pattern for this dress, how to cut and tack it. I'm tired of the boring designs. This one is very interesting. I'm glad that I had the chance to show you this dress. I show you a lot of useful details and techniques. I want you to use them. Don't be afraid of experiments. Practice makes perfect. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Вы Паукшта Ирина and Natalie. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.